Amazing vehicles with classic and sporty designs that have been manufactured with plastic or metal using 3D printers. Welcome back to our channel. Let's take a look into the list of top 5 amazing 3D printed cars in the world. Before we start, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming videos. Let's begin. Number 5. URBEE Car. The URBEE Car, crafted by a Canadian manufacturer, is a distinctive 3-wheeled vehicle engineered with ABS plastic components totaling approximately 500 kilograms in weight. Its hybrid engine offers the flexibility to run on either electricity or ethanol, ensuring versatility and eco-friendliness. With a maximum speed of 65 kilometers per hour and minimal fuel consumption, the URBEE Car provides efficient and sustainable transportation solutions for both urban and rural settings. Number 4. Olli Mini Bus. The Olli Mini Bus, an autonomous electric vehicle, epitomizes modern urban transportation solutions. Manufactured by a company based in Arizona, it features cutting-edge artificial intelligence, facilitating interactions with users, and boasts over 30 sensors for safe navigation. With a capacity to accommodate up to 12 passengers, the Olli Mini Bus is already operational on the streets of various locations in the United States, offering efficient and sustainable mobility options for urban commuters. Number 3. XEV Yoyo. The XEV Yoyo is a compact 2-seater vehicle and is tailor-made for urban mobility. Powered by 2 electric motors constructed using special plastic printing technology, it embodies innovation and sustainability. With a length of 2.5 meters and a weight of 450 kilograms, it offers nimble maneuverability in urban environments. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour and boasting a range of 150 kilometers, the XEV Yoyo provides eco-friendly transportation without compromising on performance. Number 2. EDAG Light Cocoon. Unveiled at the 2015 Geneva Motor Show, the EDAG Light Cocoon epitomizes futuristic automotive design from a German company. This innovative vehicle features a lightweight metal structure with printed panels covered by a waterproof and elastic polyester fabric, allowing light to elegantly pass through. Representing a forward-thinking approach, the Light Cocoon inspires the use of lightweight materials in automotive manufacturing, signaling a shift towards sustainable and innovative design principles. Number 1. Divergent Blade. The Divergent Blade is a revolutionary vehicle that represents the cutting edge of automotive technology manufactured by a Californian company. This next-generation sports vehicle, crafted by Divergent 3D, showcased a groundbreaking approach to manufacturing, utilizing 3D printing with metal, ABS plastic, and carbon fiber materials. With a weight of 635 kilograms, it accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in an astonishing 2.5 seconds. Notably, its unique manufacturing process eliminates the need for traditional welding, allowing for unparalleled customization options in its design. So, there you have it, the top 5 amazing 3D printed cars in the world. What do you think about these amazing 3D printed cars? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.